ALFIE'S Driving School offers driving lessons in Collier Row with manual and automatic driving instructors for anyone wanting to learn to drive in Collier Row. Closest test centres to Collier Row as follows: Hornchurch Test Centre, Goodmays Test Centre, Loughton Test Centre and Brentwood Test Centre. As you can see ahead, we're approaching the 20 zone and we're approaching the Collier Row High Street. We're approaching the roundabout. We're going to follow the roundabout ahead to the second exit. Typically you get a set of pedestrian crossings before the roundabout and after the roundabout. Just after the first exit, we want to check our left door mirror, indicate left. Ahead, as you can see, there's a pedestrian crossing. Thanks for watching. Book your driving lessons in Collier Row with ALFIE'S Driving School today. Get in touch to secure your slot.